If you've been scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts lately, you've probably seen these incredibly satisfying embroidery videos that are pulling in millions of views. They're simple, relaxing to watch, and people just can't stop replaying them. This creator is growing massive audiences from this content alone. But here's the surprising part. You don't need embroidery skills, expensive software, or hours of editing to make them. Take a look at this embroidery video I created with AI in just a few minutes. Now, the first thing you need to do is open the description below and open the free master prompt document I've prepared for you. I've already done most of the hard work, so you won't have to start from scratch. Inside that file, you'll find all the prompts we'll be using throughout this tutorial. Once you've opened it, simply copy the very first video prompt because that's the one we'll use to generate our first AI embroidery video. Open Google Flow. Create a new project, then click the plus icon to upload any image you'd like to turn into an embroidery animation. It can be a person, an animal, a product, a car, or almost any object you can think of. After the image has been uploaded, click on it, open the three-dot menu, and choose Animate. Inside the video generation settings, select the Ingredients workflow, choose OmniFlash as the video model, and set the video length to 10 seconds. Now, paste the first embroidery animation prompt you copied earlier into the prompt box, and click Generate. In just a short time, Google Flow will transform your ordinary image into a beautiful embroidery animation, complete with realistic stitching, textured fabric, and the satisfying sewing motion that makes these videos so addictive to watch. Now let's create the next scene while keeping everything perfectly consistent. Move to the very last frame of your first generated video and click Save Frame. This saved frame becomes the starting point for your next animation, allowing the transition between scenes to feel smooth and natural instead of looking like two separate videos. Open the saved frame, click the three-dot menu again, and select Animate. Before entering the next prompt, make sure Frames is enabled. This is one of the most important settings because it tells Google Flow to preserve the appearance of your embroidery, the camera angle, and the overall composition from the previous scene. Next, return to the prompt document, copy the second animation prompt, paste it into the prompt field, and generate the video. Within moments, you'll have your second embroidery scene, and it should connect seamlessly with the first one. Once both clips are finished, you can download them and import them into your preferred video editor. Arrange the first clip followed immediately by the second clip on your timeline. Since the second animation starts from the saved frame of the first, the transition should feel continuous and polished, making it look like one uninterrupted embroidery sequence. But as you can see, you can also do that on Google Flow. When you're happy with the final result, export the video in high quality, and that's it. Your AI-generated embroidery video is now ready to upload to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. If you enjoy discovering viral AI content ideas like this before everyone else, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I regularly share new AI workflows, trending niches, and step-by-step tutorials to help you create content that stands out.